Foundations Test Unit 9. We will begin with sounds. You are going to listen to one video that will tell you all 5 sounds to type. You will type each sound in its own answer box. Sound number 1. Type the 3 ways to make the E sound, like in Pete, me, and baby. E. Sound number 2. Write the 3 ways to make the sound, like in her, bird, and burn. Number 3. R, like in car. Type the R sound. Number 4. 2 ways to make the OR sound, like in horn and more. Or. Number 5. W, like in wind and whistle. 2 ways to make the W sound.